Thank you very much for the invitation, and I'm very glad to be here today, and I'm very glad, of course, to be awarded. I'm a historian, so for me, learning lessons from the past is something that I do every day, but I think everybody is interested also, without being a historian, what can we learn from the past. So doing these projects in history and culture is very important. And I am also very glad because this is Brussels and I am here for the first time. But I study in Germany, in Italy, and I did my BA and MA in Germany at the European University Viadrina, and I did my PhD in Italy at the European Institute. And this project is also European. So you already have heard how many times I said some European, and this is important because I am not only interested in Polish history of Jews but also, in fact, in this European history and culture and memory as a social construct, not only in one country but in many countries and cities, on the examples of cities, and that is why I am really glad that you have awarded me because for me this is it means a lot, because I am trying to do my research, but I need a lot of time and I need funding to really do my research, and it is time consuming, but I also am very happy that you have seen how much potential this project has. So, in fact, as you already have heard, there are a lot of cities mentioned in the title of the project, and so comparing these histories and memories and discourses will, in fact, be the main issue, but I hope that it really will help to understand the differences and similarities between these cities that I have chosen, and it will analyze also the various forms of anti-Semitism in Europe after the Second World War. And also I hope that this comparative perspective will be really something that is giving me the chance to explain the particularities of the development of images of Jews in Central Europe, but also in Eastern Europe, and will help to find out how similar or how different these memories are. And also there are many questions that I would like to ask in this project. For instance, what were the limits of belonging of Jews to societies and states in which Jews were living, and how this coexistence of Jews and non-Jews was sometimes, maybe not always, directed towards confrontation. So I hope that this project will really help to find out and analyze these processes of exchange within and between various European societies and places, and will help find out this European comparative view on memory and history and also culture. Thank you very much.